Hey everybody, so we have a quick haul video. We're also going to do a small unboxing from Home Depot. Got some Milwaukee pliers, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so I picked up a couple items from Home Depot. Today is October 24th, it's a Saturday. These are the Jaw Pliers, 10-inch and 8-inch. I kind of wish that they had them in a 2-pack. Like this set right here. This is the 6-inch and 10-inch. Straight jaw pliers. They have them in a 2-pack. I think they do have the V-jaw pliers in a 2-pack as well. And I also grabbed this Impact Magnetic Drive Guide Sleeve. I have a bunch of these style sleeves, but what I like about this sleeve is it's actually got depth markings on it. Right here. So it's actually got markings on it for you. This one is item number 48-32-4508. It's a Shockwave Impact one as well. Pull it out. Locks up, but it's got guides on it, which I thought was really neat. Does have this collar too. I think you could slide this collar up, maybe? No. Might be just there for packaging. No, I think this this collar is just so you can see just for packaging, so you can see the guides information. But it's a nice little collar, and you know, I picked it up. It was only like $7, so I grabbed that. The 2-pack of the straight jaw pliers, the 6-inch and 10-inch, was $22. If you bought these by themselves separately, it would have been like $30-something. Part number is 48-22-6330. Freaking clamshells, man. Okay, got those out. The information on this guy, they're comfort grips. It says they will not peel. Reaming handles and head. Up to 3/4 inch for the 6-inch pliers and up to 2-inch for the 10-inch pliers for pipe. And you can use them as punches. So you can use these as reamers, the handles, as well as the heads you can use as reamers. And you can also use these as punches to knock pieces out. These are tongue and groove style pliers. There is a little bit of sideways slop, but it's not too bad. It does not look like this is a bolt and nut design. It looks like it's a riveted, probably riveted on. If it fails, you could probably just put a bolt in it. The 10-inch have a little jaw deflection as well. They're nice though. They feel good in the hand. Move all of this to the side. Okay, then the 10-inch Comfort Grip V Jaw Pliers. They have the reamers on them as well. Ream and punch. Part number is 48-22-6210. That clamshell was a little easier. These also have deflection. There's actually a chunk missing from this jaw. That's very interesting. There's quite a bit of deflection in these jaws though, look at that. These are the push style. You push the pin down and you slide it, and it locks. DeWalt has a style just like this where you push the pin down, but DeWalt's are fast ratcheting. And what I mean by ratcheting is this one, you push the pin in and then you move it. When you let the pin go, it locks into that physical notch. On the DeWalt ones, you push the pin down, you move the jaw all the way down, and then it allows you to ratchet up. So you can literally just, all you got to do is hold the handle and push up, and this jaw will move up. So the jaw quick moves. So you basically just put this on, you know, the nut or whatever fastener you're trying to use, and then you just slide the jaw up. And then once it physically, the bottom jaw feels resistance, it locks into that channel. So that's pretty nice in my opinion. I like that. I actually thinking about going back and picking those up for, you know, quick, because this one you actually have to push the button to get it to move up, where that one you push the button to slide it all the way down and then it just ratchets up. I'll more than likely pick them up and I'll show you guys that feature. There is a little deflection in these. I think all of them have a little bit of deflection. But we'll see how well they work on fasteners. I think I got yeah, over here. I have a couple rusty lock nuts over here. So let me slide the jaw down a little bit. It doesn't look like these are going to turn. I think these will work very well for nuts that are hard to get off. It sits in the channel, the V-groove channel, very nicely. All in all, there is a little deflection in the handle when you squeeze the handle. Not much. They do feel very nice. It is gripping this rusty old nut that I cleaned on the outside. I need to clean the threads, but it does hold on to it nicely. So I think all in all, these pliers will be a nice addition to my plier drawer. I also grabbed the 8-inch version as well, which is 48-22-6208. shows that you can use the head or the pointy section of the handles as a reamer. You can also use the pointy section as a punch out tool. Will come in very handy for the electrical that I do. I don't do a lot of like house electrical, but it will come in handy when I do end up using that feature. And all in all, these are very nice. This one doesn't have any nicks into the head or anything like that. There is a lot of deflection between the handles and the jaws, though. That is something I do not like, but I do like the quick button. Quick adjustment is nice. Looks like everybody's following Knepex on the release button slide style. Let me go grab that nut real quick. Yeah, this nut actually fits the smaller 8-inch jaws a lot better. It definitely fits both sides a lot better. You can see how much tighter this nut is on this 8-inch pair of pliers, the Jaw Pliers. So I like that. This is probably for a lot bigger nuts. Will work better with. It does say Milwaukee part number on the side. I'm sure with grease and everything, that I normally use my tools in, that's not going to last very long. But these Jaw Pliers are very nice. Just wanted to show you guys, just quick take everything out the package, show you guys what I picked up. These are nice pliers. They will come in handy. When I need to use some pliers. These are traditional tongue to groove. These are kind of similar to Knepex. I do like them though. They're actually quite nice. I kind of wish that the jaw wasn't deformed on this guy. It's got a chip missing out of it. I might take these back just to see if I can get them warranted, because I just bought them yesterday and there's a chip out of the tooth, which is not going to help down the road. It looks like maybe these were owned by somebody before. There is serrations on the inside of the jaw too, right here, and on this side there's serrations all the way up. But they are nice. I'm sure if I have any issues, I can always... It says limited lifetime warranty, so probably should take them back and just warranty them because I bought them yesterday. But I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today and checking out what I picked up. I'll probably just head over to Home Depot in 20 minutes or so. Just and then I'll probably buy the DeWalt ones while I'm there, because I really did like those DeWalt ones. I use pliers like these, especially these straight jaws, a lot for like brake jobs, stuff like that. But they'll also come in handy when I need to use them for electrical. Ream the cutouts in the boxes and punch the circles out when I'm doing electrical. So, but appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. As well as down at the top of the description, I have a link for Ulsa Tools. You guys go click on that link. It'll give you guys 10% off on Ulsa Tools website, ulsatools.com. Also, that link will provide me availability of getting a 10% off coupon on my next purchase. If you guys use that link, if there's any organizational stuff you guys need, or maybe some hand tools, they do make some nice wrenches. I do like their reversible wrenches where you just put it on the fastener and push, and then swing the direction you want to go, and it will automatically lock it into that position. They do have some really cool designs for wrenches. They just came out with some very slim profile wrenches. If there's anything that they have that you guys might need, click on that link and get 10% off your order. Saves you guys money, gives me availability to get 10% off on my next order from their website when you guys use the link. Helps me out, bring stuff like this to the channel. Appreciate you guys' time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!